Welcome back, everybody. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So today we're going to be starting a new challenge on the channel. But before I start the video, guys, please make sure to leave a like on the video below. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Join the family, guys. Let's go on our investor journey together. So today we're going to be doing a new challenge on the video. I want to take my portfolio from 20K all the way up to 100K by the end of the year, or maybe even the end of next year. Now, this is definitely going to be a long journey. Obviously, the market is super volatile. As you guys can see today, I'm actually down 2%. But let's go over the one-year chart. So on the one-year chart, I'm up $9,224 or 46%. Looking at the 3-month chart, I'm up $7,798. Looking at the 1-month chart, we're up $1,972. And the 1-week chart, we're actually up $627 or 2.2%. So overall, my portfolio has been doing pretty good. I'm going to show you guys what I own, and we can go on our investing journey together and hopefully turn this account to $100,000. First things I'm playing: American Airlines, Genius Brands, APXT, Ideanomics, and CICC. These are all covered calls. If you don't know what covered calls are, I can go over them in a separate video, but essentially it's just like passive income. If you own 100 shares of a specific stock, you can sell or basically write the contract yourself in the hopes that you think that the stock is going to trade sideways or not move up in that short amount of time. Great way for passive income. I've been doing it for about a couple of weeks now, and I'm really digging it. Yeah, it's nothing crazy amount of money, but it's still better than nothing. And really going in here, as you guys can see, GME put $5. Let's hope GameStop goes back to $5. I don't think it will, but those are just some lotto plays, nothing too serious. Each contract cost me only 30 cents, so it's nothing too extravagant. But really diving into the portfolio together, as you guys can see, the first stocks that I own are Norwegian Cruise Lines and Carnival Cruise Lines as well. These two stocks, I think, are going to see a lot of long-term potential. These are definitely holding stocks. I don't see travel recovering anytime soon. Obviously, because of the pandemic, I mean, we've all seen it all together. You know that travel's taken the biggest hit. But I own a lot of travel stocks. I own Delta, United Airlines, American Airlines, Carnival, and Norwegian Cruise Lines. As you guys can see, I mean, I bought these stocks when I bought this one when it was around $14 a share. So I'm still up on the overall investment. And as you guys can see, if we go back to Norwegian one more time, I mean, these stocks were trading around like $50 a share right before the pandemic hit. So I do expect these stocks to eventually hit their all-time highs. Maybe not this year, but hopefully next year we can actually see these stocks back in the 30s and the 40s. Scrolling down here, I own Bank of America as well. I love Bank of America. Warren Buffett owns a lot of Bank of America, and I use Bank of America on the day-to-day basis. So yes, I own 60 shares of Bank of America. Plus, a lot of these stocks also pay dividends, which is awesome as well. I own a little bit of Genius Brands. Now, a lot of people, you know, they think about Genius Brands, they think of it as like a meme stock overall. But for me, Genius Brands, the fact that streaming is getting so much more popular with Netflix and Hulu and everything like that, I could see Genius Brands actually being worth something a couple years down the road. Nothing too major. I bought 400 shares at around $1. And like I said, if it goes up, it goes up. If it doesn't, it doesn't. It's nothing too major. Obviously, I own NEO because NEO is going to the moon. I have 39.51 shares in this specific portfolio, and I'll show you guys my other portfolio. This is kind of like my mess around portfolio. I've always wanted to do this, you know, kind of go on this challenge together with everybody, so I just thought I'd make it public and take this account from 20K all the way up to 100K with you guys. And as you guys can see here, I own some Carnival, which is another European company. This one's doing okay. I bought it around $13.84 a share. And diving into the 1 year here, as you guys can see, this thing was trading around $40 right before the pandemic hit. All right, so next, I own a lot of EV companies. As you guys know, I am super bullish on the EV market itself. So I own 90 shares of Workhorse stock. Bought this investment around at $21, and I do expect this company to be absolutely huge in the future. The fact that this company sells EV electric vans is just absolutely insane. I own a CICC merger, which is going to merge with a company known as Arrival, which is an EV company based out of the UK that specializes in producing electric commercial vehicles as well. APXT, which is a company, it's like a cloud software company, pretty similar to like Microsoft. I own some Ideanomics, which is another EV company as well. I own 200 shares and I bought it at $2.62. And continuing downward, Northern Genesis, which is another EV company. I bought 60 shares of this one at $13.54. I own some XPeng shares as well. Like I said, super bullish on the Chinese EV game in itself. I own some Churchill Capital. This is the company that's set to merge with Lucid Motors. As far as we know, it's just a rumor as of now, but I took a little lotto play on it. Bought 100 shares of it at $17.90 and pretty okay with the return on that as of now. And I also own BOKI or BQ, which is a blank check company, hopefully set to merge with something pretty soon. I also own some Bitcoin, guys. Let's go on. I own 0.00133367 of a Bitcoin. This is awesome. Bitcoin to the moon. You know, and I own 5,753 Dogecoins. And as you guys know, I bought Dogecoin for fun. Like, it's just an absolute meme at this point. Like, as you guys can see, I bought it at 0.007 of a cent, and I only put in about $40. So it's nothing too major. I'm up $296. I don't really even check that investment much. Hopefully one day Dogecoin can hit $1 and I can make $5,000. That'd be awesome. But overall, like I said, I want to take you guys on my investing journey together. Hopefully we can take this account from 20K all the way up to 100K. Going back one more time, over the year, I'm up $9,211. 3-month chart, I'm up $7,783. And the 1-month chart, I'm up $1,960. And over the 1 week, I'm up $613. So even though we are down today $635, everyone has to understand that that's just part of the market altogether, that the market does fluctuate, and I'm happy with the fluctuations. We're still up on the week, and we're still up on the month, and I could never be happier with that just alone. With that being said, guys, that's all I really have to say about the video. Let me know down in the comment section below, guys, if you guys are invested in any of the same stocks I am. If you guys are going on this investing journey together, leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel. With that being said, guys, thank you. Have a great day.